Every Linux machine built since 2017 has a backdoor to root. Not a theory, not a maybe. A 732-byte Python script. Run it. Your root, Ubuntu, Red Hat, Debian, Amazon Linux, SUSE, Arch, all of them. One script, every distro, no modifications. It's called copy fail. Copy fail is a logic flaw buried in the Linux kernel's crypto subsystem, the avgskully module. Here's the short version. Linux keeps copies of important files in memory called the page cache. Speed trick. Copy fail lets any unprivileged user write 4 bytes into that page cache of any readable file on the system. 4 bytes doesn't sound like much, but write them into a Setuid binary like SU, the program every Linux system uses to become root, and you just rewrote the rules. No races, no retries, no crash risk, no per distro offsets, no recompilation, 100% reliable. The entire exploit uses standard Python libraries. OS, socket, zlib. That's it. This bug has been sitting in the kernel since 2017. 9 years. Every kernel developer, every security audit, every fuzzer walked right past it. Because the crypto subsystem gets reviewed for crypto problems, side channels, algorithm correctness. Nobody was asking where the memory came from. Then a security company called Theory pointed their AI tool Sint code at it. 1 operator prompt, 1 hour of scan time. Copy fail was the highest severity output. Theory has won DEF CON CTF 9 times. When they say 1 prompt, 1 hour, that's exactly what happened. CrowdStrike already caught this in the wild. An attacker compromised a Jenkins server through an unpatched plugin, landed as the Jenkins user, ran copy fail, instantly root. CISA added it to the known exploited vulnerabilities catalog on May 1st. Federal agencies have until May 15th to patch. If you run Linux, you're affected. Every Kubernetes cluster, every CI runner, every container on a shared host kernel, even WSL2 on Windows. Patch your kernel today. If your distro hasn't shipped the fix yet, disable the aljif_AEAD module. It doesn't break SSH, disk encryption, or TLS, a 9-year-old bug hiding in the most reviewed subsystem of the most important operating system on Earth. Every security tool missed it. Every audit missed it. And AI found it in 1 hour, which means somewhere in every kernel, in every codebase, in every system you trust, there are more. And the tools to find them just got very, very fast. Sleep well.